Hello Japanese learners! 漢字の勉強頑張っていますか? In this video, we are going to learn new kanjis, words with the kanji, and expression with those words. Kanji, words, and expressions. If you are preparing for the JLPT test, these three methods is very good. Why? Because you learn kanji, also the vocabulary and expression, which is good for reading and listening. I will give you 3 JLPT questions later. If you are interested in writing kanji neatly, I added stroke order clips very end of this video. You can watch and learn how you can improve your kanji style. We are going to follow these 5 steps. それでは始めましょう。These are the today's kanji. They are look alike, but slightly different. The meaning of this kanji is rice or America. On is mai, bei, kun is kome. Radical is kome. If you want to know your country's name kanji, I put the URL in the description box. You can check it later. The meaning of this kanji is ice. On is hyo. Kun is koori. Radical is mizu, water. Take a look at this kanji. There is a dot left upper corner. The meaning of this kanji is eternal, forever. On is a. Kun is nagai. Radical is mizu, water. Take a look at this kanji. There's a dot on top. The meaning of this kanji is swim. On is a. Kun is oyogu. Radical is called sanzui. The meaning is water. Look at the kanji. Sanzui means water. When you see the radical, it tells you the kanji related to the meaning of radical. This time is water. The right side is previous kanji, A. When the kanji has exact same letter, oftentimes on reading is the same. Words and expression. Japan and America, Nichibei, turn into kunyomi, Nihon to America. Expression, Nichibei kankei, relations between kankei, Japan, Nichi, America, Bei, Nichibei kankei. Next, brown rice, genmai, white rice, hakumai. Expression, 玄米と白米、どちらがよろしいですか? What would you like? どちらがよろしいですか? Brown rice, 玄米、white rice, 白米。白米と玄米、どちらがよろしいですか? Restaurants in Japan, people are health conscious, so some restaurant gives you a choice of rice. They will ask you this way. You can say 玄米でお願いします。白米でお願いします。Next, shaved ice, かき氷。かき氷。Take a look at the picture. When you start learning kanji and then started to notice the kanji you have learned, that's exciting. Expression, いちごのかき氷が食べたい。I want to eat 食べたい strawberry shaved ice いちごのかき氷いちごのかき氷が食べたい Next, below the freezing point 氷点下氷点下 turn into 訓読み。氷の点の下。It makes sense. Look at the picture. Japan use Celsius for temperature. So the 0 is the freezing point. Expression. 今日の気温は氷点下3度です。Today's temperature is 今日の気温は3 degrees 3度 below freezing point 氷点下。今日の気温は氷点下3度です。The highlighted part minus 3 degree, that's the common sign you will see. Next, tip of the iceberg. I think you know the expression. Japanese, 氷山の一角。氷山 is the iceberg. 一角 is the tip. 氷山の一角。Expression. 漢字80個は氷山の一角に過ぎない。80 of kanji is 漢字80個は just a tip of the iceberg. 氷山の一角に過ぎない。Next, swimming. 水泳。水泳。Turn into 訓 reading. 水で泳ぐ。Swimming. Makes sense. Example. 私は水泳が得意です。I am good at 得意です。Swimming. 水泳が。私は水泳が得意です。Next, forever. 末長く。末長く。So each kanji, the sue is the end. And nagaku, that's forever. And together, forever. When you encounter a new word, try to see each kanji's meaning and then guess the meaning of the word. The expression very common when the couple get married, you can say 末永くお幸せに。Next, die peacefully. Peacefully is the keyword when you use this word. 永眠する。永眠する。Turn into 訓 reading. 長く眠る equals to dead, 死。Expression. 祖父は80歳で永眠しました。My grandfather, 祖父は went to his final rest. 永眠しました。at the age of 80. 80歳で。祖父は80歳で永眠しました。The last one, eternity. 永遠。永遠。Look at the each kanji's meaning. A, forever. N is toy, fur. So you can say forever going so far, like eternity, kind of makes sense. Expression, you probably hear that at the wedding ceremony. 永遠の愛を誓います。I vow 誓います。Eternal love 永遠の愛。永遠の愛を誓います。Step 3 Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. Japan and America. 日米 Rice お米 White rice 白米 Brown rice 玄米 Shaved ice かき氷 Below the freezing point 氷点下 Iceberg 氷山 Eternity 永遠 Die peacefully 永眠 forever 末永く to swim 泳ぐ swimming 水泳 JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button below. I upload kanji video every day. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。So you write so. 1, 2, across, go down, attach, release, attach, stop, and release. From here, go down and hook, dot, across, and release, release, attach here, go stop, and release. So dot, from here, across, go down, hook, from here, across, release, release, from here, stop, and release. Sanzui, which is 1, 2, from down, 3, release. Dot, across, go down, hook, release, release.